The 2026 Genesis GV60's steering wheel provides easy access to driver assistance, audio system, and hands-free calling features. The volume control is a scrolling button, which can be scrolled up to increase and scrolled down to decrease the audio volume. To mute and unmute the audio, press in the volume button. The Seek preset button is an optical mouse switch where it reads either a swipe or a swipe and hold command. By swiping and holding when the infotainment is in radio mode, this button auto-seeks radio stations that are within the range of reception. The system will keep seeking until the button is released. By swiping on the button in radio mode, you can switch between the preset radio stations. By swiping and holding in media mode, this button will function as fast-forwarding and reversing the audio track. By swiping in the media mode, it will function as track up or down. The mode button is to change between the radio and media modes. The voice recognition button can be used for spoken preset commands without having to take your hands off the steering wheel. The call answer button also serves as call end, picking up or hanging up a phone call. 2 custom buttons are available on the GV60 steering wheel, one on each side. To assign a function to a specific button, press and hold the desired custom button to show a list of assignable features. The GV60's cluster display can be switched between standard, driving assist, map, and wide map view modes by clicking this button up or down. Pressing the same button in will change the cluster gauge modes. On the left side of the steering wheel is a drive mode button that allows you to change the vehicle's performance depending on road conditions. When selecting drive modes, you can cycle between Eco, Comfort, Sport, Snow, and Custom drive modes. On the right side of the steering wheel is a button labeled Boost. Pressing the Boost button will enable Boost mode, which offers a 10-second duration of enhanced power and acceleration. On the left side of the steering wheel is the Driving Assist button. Pressing this will activate or deactivate Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist at the current speed. After activation, pressing the Vehicle Distance button will then cycle through 4 different preset distances that your GV60 will maintain to the vehicle in front. To change the speed of Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist, press this switch up or down to alter by 1 mile per hour. Pressing and holding the switch either up or down alters speed in 5 mile per hour increments instead. Pressing the switch can also pause and resume Smart Cruise Control or Highway Driving Assist. By quickly pressing the Lane Driving Assist button, you can turn on or off the Lane Following Assist function. By pressing and holding the Lane Driving Assist button, you can turn on or off the Lane Keeping Assist function. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.